Welcome everyone to What's Life. Today we are going to discuss how we can get to our peak state, or in more lighter terms, find the flow and momentum required to achieve our goals. Finding a peak state of mind can be a trap in our journey. A peak is only there for a moment. Instead, the thing we should focus on is finding momentum for success. Let's take an example to understand how momentum works. Let's say a train is moving at a slow speed of 30 kilometers per hour. Then if a big stone is in front of it, then it will be stopped. But if that train would have been moving at 120 kilometers per hour, then it would have smashed anything in the way and moved forward. If we are able to carry the momentum towards our goal, then all our thoughts will be invested in trying to get a solution for the problem that we are facing in the journey to that goal. When we have momentum, then we can find various solutions to the same problem with a calm mind. When you are in a state of flow, you don't get stuck with any sort of problem. You just keep on finding solutions and moving forward. Now the big question arises, how do we find such momentum? Let's take an example. Let's say you want to gain momentum to succeed in business. Then you should talk about your idea with as many business people as possible. You should not only talk to entrepreneurs in your field, you can also talk with other field entrepreneurs. When you discuss your ideas with these business people, then you'll understand why your idea is a good one or why your idea is a bad one. Then you should also look to understand it from the point of view of the customer and try to see why you as a customer would buy it or would not buy it. After that, try to improve the good and change the bad. Whenever we try something new or different, we are bound to face external and internal resistance, which will halt our momentum. So you should take it in as feedback and keep going with better momentum by using it as fuel. You should be focused on the cause and knowing what, how and why I am doing it, and start it at a small level as soon as possible. When you gain momentum like this, then a state appears where all your energies will go towards a goal, and then you will succeed one day or another. If this video helped you in getting momentum for your goals or in any other way, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to know more about life and more such content.